This 3-ingredient mac and cheese by Cook the Story went mega viral, probably because of its standout ingredient, which is evaporated milk. Let's give this a try. I started with 3 cups of elbow noodles in a 10-inch pan. Do not go higher than that. Flatten out your noodles because we're going to fill it up with water just enough to cover your noodles, no more than that. Add in a pinch of salt. I forgot, but I came back and do it. Bring it to a boil, stirring it often, and you really want to follow every direction here. Continue with that stirring. You're going to bring it to a boil, like I said, then reduce it to a simmer until most of the water is cooked off. We're going to add in our evaporated milk, bring it back to a boil, and then we're going to reduce the heat to low and stir in the shredded cheese after we have it to our boil. There we go, 3 cups of shredded cheese. And then continue to stir. We've reduced the heat. Let's continue to stir it. And then optionally, you can add in 2 tablespoons of butter cut into little pieces. I kind of recommend that you do it. It does make it more creamy and it helps that cheese melt. I also recommend that you shred your own cheese. If you use packaged shredded cheese, it might take a little bit longer to melt and give you a little bit of a hard time. This recipe, you really do want to follow every direction. Some people have had trouble making it. I had absolutely no problem at all. It came out completely perfect, and the key, like I said, is just follow the directions. I have it all written out for you to help make it easier. I hope you love this. This is really a great option before you grab that box of mac and cheese. Definitely make this.